In this video, we will show you how to set the limits and a favorite position from the Bliss app. First, we will cover setting the limits. Select the window treatment you want to work with, then tap the settings icon. To adjust the upper limit, tap top position. The app will ask you to confirm that you would like to proceed. Select yes and the motor will jog one time. On the next screen, use the buttons to adjust the motor position. Hold the buttons on the right side of the screen for continuous movement and tap the buttons on the left side for fine-tuning. Once the motor is at the desired position, tap Save Top Limit and your motor will jog 2 times, confirming that the new limit has been saved. To adjust the lower limit, tap Bottom Position. The app will ask you to confirm that you would like to proceed. Select Yes and the motor will jog 1 time. Follow the same steps as before, using the buttons on the right for continuous movement and the buttons on the left for fine-tuning. Tap Save Bottom Limit to confirm the new position, and the motor will jog 2 times. Next, we will program a favorite position. A favorite position makes it possible to move your window treatment to a commonly used position with the press of a single button. In the settings menu of the desired shade, tap Favorite Position. The app will ask you to confirm that you would like to proceed. Select Yes. Using the buttons on the right for continuous movement and the ones on the left for fine-tuning, adjust the motor to the desired position. Tapping the Done button will save this as your new favorite position. Now you will see a star at the bottom of the window treatment screen. Tapping the star will automatically bring the motor to the preset position.